how to transfer major token from Bybit wallet to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of major token from our Bybit account. Now how to do that? Just open the Bybit app and make sure to log into your account and tap on assets. Now tap on deposits and now tap on deposit crypto. So after that, in the search bar, now type the token name, major, like that. So after you find your token, now just click on it. And as you can see here, you can now select the token as a network, and now you can copy the withdrawal address of your token. Just click on copy address. Now go back on the home page on your Bybit account. Don't exit the Bybit account, Bybit app. Now from the top bar, now select the Web3 to access to your Bybit wallet. Now wait a few seconds to load your wallet. Now, after you open your Bybit wallet, now to be able to find your token, what you need to do, in the little square this, you can click on it, and now select the Solana as a network. As you can see, you can find your token here. So if you don't find your token here, what you need to do, just click on these three lines here, and now in the search, you can search for your token. In this case, it will be major. So wait a few seconds, and to be able to find it, now wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is our token. Now just click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, as you can see, and now wait a few seconds to be able to add this token on your wallet. So as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. So after that, you can now click on send here, and now you can provide the withdrawal address to copy it from your Bybit account and see the amount that you want to transfer, and click on next, and you will be able to receive your token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer major token from Bybit wallet to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.